Look at this drone I found. Let's go check it out and see if it works.
Man, this drone footage is gonna be awesome.
Hey, Tony, get some drone footage of the windmill.
I spend over 90% of my life alone because I try to like people, but then they start talking.
If there is an occupation that needs a beer at the end of the day, it would be truck drivers.